see. All
We have no
markers
music, that's why we don't make it.
Yes! Put up some good music.
I have music, but I think no one will like it, so I didn't cue it. I just put it in general chat.
Since when do you
Shout
care
the
what
ring.
the others like?
100 pulse makes you good at this boss. It's nice.
Boats.
Nice.
Good, so good.
When the defense automaton cracks his fingers and doesn't move. Why?
Watch the ring around the boss. Ring around the boss. Into moats. Let's go moats. Cosmic shift in 3, 2, 1, shift.
Yes.
Tank mechanic. Moats in 3, 2, 1, moats. We can shift in 3, 2, 1, shift now. Watch the ring around the boss. Watch the tank mechanic. Start going to add. We take the gate all the way into the ring, all the way in. Okay, boop. If you get a ring, you move out.
Pull out.
Yep. Watch the ring around the boss now. And look for moats. Moats are a little close.
They're very close to the boss.
And cosmic shift in 2, 1, cosmic shift. Now watch the tank mechanics now. And new modes in 3, 2, 1, modes.
Nice, Charlie.
Big shift in 2, one. And watch the ring around the boss. And watch the tank mechanic.
Watch out for modes.
Yep. Go to add now.
Can Pizzling have a grip, please? Thank you.
Go into
And-
the circle.
Chris can help root the moon one.
Can grip this, I think. Yes. If you get a circle, you run out.
A lot of moats.
Circle around the boss now. Find Vir and Collection. And moats coming now.
Okay, the one to the left.
Cosmic Shift in 3, 2, 1. Cosmic Shift. Watch out for the tank. Tank mechanic now.
Retrap.
Find the new modes in 2, 1. Modes. And Cosmic Shift. Watch the ring around the boss.
Retrap.
And then tank mechanic. Go to add now. Go to add.
Can Pizzling have a grip,
Damn.
please?
Nice.
Very nice.
Watch the moat.
We have a roar. Okay, yeah, focus these ads.
Retrap. Good.
Watch your HP bars from now on, guys.
Yep. And look where Convection and Virham key find your positions. Watch the ring around the boss. And modes in 2, 1. Modes. So this shift is gonna be deadly. Shift in 2, 1.
Defensives.
Just leave this. Watch the tank mechanic.
Kill the fucking boss!
We're
This
yeah!
I almost got Felix, holy shit. Fucking
Yeah.
good.
Impressive.
Even the boss damage.
That's a
Fuck yes.
good log for you, man.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I have a
Zero
question. I
damage,
will-
but I am
It
happy.
was 1%, 1.5%.
But we did nice retrap.
Yep. Yep.